So we just got back from Home Depot, and we are going to redo this bathroom. So we're going to gut this whole thing, move this entire wall right here back 7 inches, 6 or 7 inches, get a new tub and shower, and that means we have to take out this closet that we just redid. Well, did some work on. Put these shelves in. There's shelves right there, and this shelf. So we got a lot of work to do, but it's exciting. We're gonna go pick up the shower today at 5 o'clock in a few hours. Right now we're gonna work on getting that closet taken apart. Is empty, and when it comes time, we'll gut everything out, and this whole wall is going to move this way, eliminating closet space, but it'll be worth it to have a bigger bathroom. Get a trash bag, give me a hammer. Oops. There goes the GoPro. bit of demo work done. A little bit of moisture damage down there. Hopefully not too bad. We're gonna go get the tub and shower kit. Well, not only did we start the bathroom demolition, which I will be putting together in a full video later when it's done. It'll be all time-lapsed through the whole thing, hopefully. But my GoPro keeps falling off the wall, so I want to do that if the GoPro will stay on the wall. But not only did we do that, we got a little bit further on this dresser. These are the drawer pulls for the dresser. I'm spray painting them gold. And we got one more coat of black paint on this dresser. It needs one more, so I'm going to add the third coat right now. I mixed some regular flat black paint with some Floetrol in an ice cream bucket and a mixer with a drill, and it's laying really flat. You don't see any brush strokes. For being brushed on, that's pretty flat, so I'm pretty happy about that. I did not want brush strokes on this, and it does not like to focus on this dresser at all. I'm going to put the last coat of paint on it. That is all I've got for you. It was a busy weekend and an exciting new project has started. Even though we've got a ton of projects here already, but whatever. Yeah, we found this on the side of the road today too. And we got another project. We'll get them done, I guess. Eventually. I'm hoping to get this dresser done this week, the video edited and posted by Thursday. That might be difficult, but that's it. It's the end of the vlog. I'm gonna get to editing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.